This lecture is for anybody who is new to SEO, or if you're just starting the course and you're a beginner and you need a little bit of help, or if you know what SEO is but you need a refresher. This lesson is going to explain to you what we are striving to get in this course and what the main skills you're going to learn. So search engine optimization is the process of ranking a website high in Google search results so that when someone types in a particular phrase, your website is more likely to get clicked on. In regards to YouTube, SEO is ranking a video high in YouTube search results as well as Google's. So now that you kind of have an idea of what the definition of search engine optimization is, let's look at a live example of how this can occur. So first off, I have Google here. So let's say if we wanted to know what SEO is, we could type in what is SEO. And we can see here that we have a list of websites that pop up. Now, it has been statistically proven that websites that rank higher get a lot more traffic, especially the first 5 results, and anything that's on the first page will get a lot of results. Now, a lot of people search for phrases like what is SEO or different variations of this phrase. And if you can rank in this, even on the first page, you can get hundreds, if not thousands of people visit your website per day. Now, these phrases are also referred to as keywords. Now, let's go to YouTube and see a live example of this could work as well. So if we typed in what is SEO on YouTube, we will get a list of videos that pop up, and the basic overall process works the same. The video at the top is going to get the highest amount of clicks, and the videos underneath are going to slowly get a little bit less, and you can kind of see it. Here, all the videos up at the top have the most traffic because they rank at the top, they're getting the most clicks. And in this course, I'm going to particularly show you guys how you can rank your videos up here at the top of YouTube search and as well as Google search. A lot of people forget that YouTube videos also rank in Google. If we go back to Google, we can search for our keyword and go to the video section, and we can also see videos rank here as well as if we have some keywords like a lot of how-to videos. Let's go how to remove a tick, for example. We can also see that YouTube results will pop up here as well. It depends on your keyword, but YouTube videos do pop up a lot in Google search. So in this course, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you get your video to rank high in YouTube. And if we have a YouTube channel here, we can go into our analytics. This is one of my YouTube channels, one of my newer ones. We can go to our analytics and we can see in our traffic reports that YouTube search is very important. It's important for ranking your videos high in YouTube search. And it's not particularly hard. It's very easy to rank videos high in YouTube search. And you can see after just a month, this is a month's worth of work on YouTube. We can rank our videos really high, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it in this course. So this is just a brief introductory to what SEO is, and if you have any questions about SEO, please post it in the discussion settings of this video. If you're all good, then let's continue on with the course.